Welcome to Gerber Innovation Center in New York City. So I'm Katie Pilet. I'm in charge of global marketing here at Gerber. So let me have you tour the Innovation Center. So here is the place where all the fashion, designer, and also the furniture industry meets. So we have our full micro factory here. So we can produce garments fully customized, made to measure, digitally printed, and we can go from start to finish. So here, for example, let's see a collection that Patrick, one of our designers, made, and he made this collection here using both our softwares, 3D rendering, and also our micro factory. So to welcome our partners, also our customers, the students, we have close collaboration with FIT, for example, and then we welcome those people to work, to have some specific project, and they can use our software, Accumar 2D, 3D rendering, and then they can produce it. We also have a website, so we created a new website. So when every visitor comes in, they can just select a garment, enter their own measurements, so select their size the way they like their garment to fit, if they want it snug, large, or slim. And then they can choose which digital prints they want on the garment. They can choose the sleeves, the neckline, everything they can customize. And then automatically this is sent to our micro factory to be digitally printed, cut, and sewn on site.